Hey kids, today we're going to learn 101 welding. I'm joking. Hey kids, today we're going to learn how to set up a welder. Your normal stick welder or an arc welder. To weld you're going to need a couple of things. So obviously your welding machine. You need your cables and your clamps. You're going to need your electrodes, your gloves, your helmet for safety. Then you're going to need the steel that you're going to be welding. So to set up your welding machine, let's get the camera down here. So I see a common question is which cable goes where, positive and negative. So your ground cable with the clamp, this goes into your negative. It's a simple insert and twist. There it is. And your cable holding the electrode, that's your positive. That will go into positive, insert, twist, done. Okay, so you've got everything set up. Next thing you need to do is do some preparation on your steel. So we've got rust and we've got paint on this off-cut steel. You're going to want to remove the steel. You can take a little bit of sandpaper or rubbing alcohol to remove that, and you can either sandpaper or grind or use a thinners or something to get this paint off the steel. Then your steel is good. Prep work's done. You can start welding.